The US stock market is again declining at the beginning of a new week. Today, there has been a considerable sell-off of futures contracts. Apparently, the buy the dip strategy is not working anymore. On Wednesday, the Fed is going to hold a meeting. Meanwhile, the main trading floors in Asia are closed for the holidays. As for other markets, the sentiment is extremely negative. Despite the pessimistic sentiment, the US dollar managed to add gains. Since Friday, it has grown to 93.30. The greenback erased all the losses of the previous months, heading for the annual highs. Analysts believe that the US dollar index is strengthening for two reasons. To start with, the Fed is highly likely to trim its bond buying program, and secondly, the US dollar is gaining momentum as a safe haven asset amid risk aversion in the stock market. However, this growth has a limit, so it may enter a correction and slide down to 93 or even lower. Its future trajectory will largely depend on reports and events which are due this week. Last Friday, the dollar-yen pair rose by 23 pips amid the strengthening of the US currency. At the same time, it remained unaffected by a decrease in the stock market. However, the pair has been quite tricky in recent days, confusing traders with the false movements. The greenback is highly likely to weaken following the results of the Fed's meeting on Wednesday. The regulator may postpone the QE tapering. The pair may decrease to 109.85 and eventually to 109.70. Technical indicators also confirm such a fall. The Aussie began a new week with a drop and a gap on the chart. This means that the AUD-USD pair may extend its downward movement. Although analysts expect a reversal quite soon, the price is likely to reach the nearest level of 0.7223, a low of August 27. After that, it may rise to the gap that has formed. In the meantime, it's likely to be trading at the level of 0.7240. And that's all for now. Today, trading is likely to be calm, so investors have time to prepare for the active trading days ahead. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.